before meeting my girlfriend's family. Checking Allstate first was an excellent plan. Not check.
If you love to travel, Capital One.
I guess until I get TikTok back, actually. Happy New. The UP. That was fun.
Seeing these stars on the roof. We live like this.
Second floor.
I'm reading Fourth Wing, and I'm on page 298, and I've read this much in like a day and a half. It's so good, and I love Xaden. It's giving the Shatter Me series in a way, and also A Court of Thorns and Roses. But like, I wonder if he knows that he loves her, or like what he feels towards her is love. I wonder if he knows that. I can't tell if he knows, but I know that he loves her.
Are his eyes open?
Yeah,
Oh, really? He's actually looking.
he's tuned in.
Crazy, quick 3 and out. It's incredible. I mean, we talked about how they.
For my YouTube vlog. Gracie Poo.
Any of them look shady though, they're all right next to each other, so we can just decide.
2 safety pin hats, adult size hats. I've just safety pinned them to get them to fit my head to run in.
Oh, that's cute. That's so cute.
Tienes razón, ¿te acuerdas? Aunque no te acuerdes, basta.
And with the beer. Oh, so beautiful, my guy. I'm so scared. Nice.
Oh, it's me.
Al mismo tiempo. Or at least as close to it as you can. Nice! That was close!
The rim of those,
Okay.
I'm singing it in French.
Stola, Stola. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jonathan. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Woo! Oh my God, you scared me.
My water tastes like coffee.
Huh?
My water tastes like coffee.
Your water
My water
tastes like coffee. Why? Oliver, come here. Why are you just sitting over there? Come here. Baby. Baby Ollie. I literally stopped going to her desk. Really?
Either he's not in the position to lend a hand or he doesn't. So pretty.
On the earth. Like on the windows. At the windows, mirrors.
See what I mean? The Mid-Atlantic 20
Yeah.
turn of the century.
I just got this. Okay, look at this. There's not even any stitching. You know what I mean? I'm going back. I just picked it up like, no, it looks good. I love the look of it.